Once upon there was a little
cat
who had no.
mama.
One day she went walking down the street, crying.
I'm gonna get it.
Oh, okay.
Lay down.
By and by, she came upon an old woman sweeping the sidewalk.
Pick it up.
The little white cat said,
How?
but when the old woman saw the cat, she said, Scat.
Go back up.
The old woman took her
Room.
and
Seat.
the little cat rolled over and over in the dust. She picked herself up, shook off the dust, and walked away. After a while, she came upon a man sprinkling the flowers in his.
I put in bubbles and bubbles.
Yeah.
I put in bubbles.
The little white cat said, but when the old man saw a cat in his garden, he turned the hose on her and said,
Scat, go back.
She picked herself up, shook off the water, and walked away. Suddenly, a big, spotted
Donkey.
came chasing after her. The dog said,
Wow, duck.
I'll catch you, cat. The little white cat ran and ran until she reached a.
Sit.
Then up she. The dog couldn't jump up on the fence, so he,
Look.
until he grew tired. Then he lay down and took a. The little cat waited a while. Then she crept very softly along the fence, jumped down, and ran away. By and by, she came to a.
Door.
The door was wide open, so in walked the little.
Cat.
But when the woman of the house saw a cat in her, she took up a.
Chase a cat.
and chased the cat. The woman said, Scat,
Go a cat.
and away ran the cat. When she'd run a long way, she saw a. The window was open, and on the window sill was a.
Oh, but.
The little white cat jumped into the flower box and sat among the. Flowers. The flower box belonged to. When Amy saw the little white cat, she took her into her arms and hugged her. Then she said, I'm going to keep you for my very own cat. And no one ever again said, Scat, scat. Go away, little cat. And the little white cat said,
Can I guess?
okay, count them.
1,
1,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3, 7, 8,
9.
9. The end.
Wake up. Wake up. Okay.
Lay down.
I read it. I read it.
Yep.
I read it.
Okay.
I'll skip.
You skipped. I am. Okay. My car has lights to see at night and windshield wipers to see in the rain.
Got it? Got it? Got it.
When I drive.
Catch the magnets. The truck. Beep.
Yeah.
Carry that.
No, we're all done. We read 2 books. We read 2 books.